As a developer, I'm sure you've heard of the term garbage collection or garbage collector, but do you know what it actually means? Before diving into garbage collection, we need to understand the difference between a low-level language and a high-level language. A low-level programming language like C, Zig, or Rust is different from a high-level language, Python, JavaScript, etc., in many ways. One of them is that most low-level languages will allow you to manipulate memory directly, being closer to the kernel. If you allocate a chunk of memory, then it's on you to free that memory after using it. And if you don't, well, that's a memory leak. Meanwhile, in high-level programming languages, you're not the one who's freeing memory. Instead, it's the garbage collector, a system that tracks what your code is still using and what can be thrown away. So how does it know what to delete? The answer is something called reachability. If there's still a reference to a value, like through a variable, an object property, or a closure, then it's considered reachable, meaning the garbage collector leaves it alone. But once no part of your program is pointing to that data anymore, it's considered garbage, and that's when it gets collected. This all happens automatically in the background. You don't tell the garbage collector what to delete, it just figures it out, most of the time. But here's the catch. Garbage collection doesn't mean you can't have memory leaks. It just means you're not responsible for manually freeing memory. You can still leak memory if you accidentally keep references around. Like storing something in a global variable and forgetting to clear it. Or creating a closure that holds onto data longer than it needs to. The garbage collector can't delete what it thinks you're still using. So even if that data is useless, as long as it's still reachable, it won't be collected. And if enough of that builds up, your app slows down. Memory usage spikes, performance tanks. That's why understanding garbage collection matters.